Is completely wetting out a rug really that important? It is if you care about getting it clean. Mildew, urine deposits, insects, you wash a rug properly. The rug you see here came to our shop with complaints from the customer of possible moth infestation. So we took it in, we did some testing on it, we evaluated the rug, and we found it had odor issues, mildew odors, probably from being wet at one point, not properly dried. It hadn't been cleaned in at least 10 to 15 years. We found evidence of moth damage, and we even found evidence that their pet dog had used it in several areas for a bathroom, mostly urine contamination. So what we did next, before we approached cleaning, we tested the colors to make sure the colors wouldn't run. We did an overnight dye stability test, and then we proceeded to do dry soil removal. Dry soil removal is simply vacuuming and beating the rug to get the sand, grit, lint, pet hair, things like that off the rug before you actually wash it. The detergents we use on this rug are made for wool rugs. This is a wool hand-knotted rug. It needs to be wet washed thoroughly in the shop. You do not want extraction type cleaning like you would clean wall-to-wall rug in a home or office setting. You want to be able to thoroughly flush a rug, scrub it on both sides, loosen that soil, use detergents that are made for wool, using machines like you see there with soft bristle brushes that can work deep into the fiber. You have to destroy the moth larva and any living moths in there, and then wash all that pesticide material out so when the rug goes back it is nice and safe. We also use deodorizers to get rid of some of that musty smell. It's also important during the rinse phase, once the scrubbing is done, we rinse until the water runs clear and all the detergents are out. We check it for spots. We address the fringe cleaning after the rug has been dry. So once you scrub it like this, you rinse it, you pull all the standing water out, or as much as you can, and then it goes into a dry chamber where it gets dried out overnight, and then you inspect it. If there's any odors left, any sign of something that should have been gotten with the first cleaning, we'll definitely clean it again. This rug was actually cleaned twice, and the customer, when it went back, were very happy. They've had it for a few weeks now without any issues. Sometimes to save money, people ask, can't we just do all of this cleaning in the house? Well, as you can see, there's no way to safely clean a rug like this in someone's home, especially when there's odors and insects. Questions, comments, please leave them below. We appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it. You'll be notified about the next upload. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and a like for this video. Hope you found it helpful.